Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to personalize your Shopify store? In this video, we will walk you throughout how to edit a Shopify theme in 2024, helping you tailor your store's look and feel to fit your brand. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first, let's go ahead and open Shopify store and log into our accounts. Now, next thing is basically to go ahead into the here into the search channel. You will find your online store in there. Just by clicking on it, this will open. So this is the page where you can edit your Shopify theme. Now, normally with the current free version, you will not be able to actually edit and choose whatever theme. Basically, for example, now if I try to get a premium theme, I will not get it. And if I try to get this one, as you can see here, preparing your theme, after trying it, button template, wait a couple of seconds, creating pages, and just like that, we will be able to choose one of the three themes. But again, guys, with the premium theme, you will have more accessibility and various options to change and more settings and adjusting things to add. Now, this is the setting that I have chosen. This is the new setting, like not setting, but I mean the theme. And basically here we have in the top here, we have default. You can change it to international. So this is how it's going to look in the international version. Here you have various amounts of pages like the product page, or basically this is the menu. So here you can find the product page, check every product that you have and view it in the product page. So this is how it looks, the product page for this page for this product. Here we have collections. In case you had collection, this is how it would look like. Collection lists, gift card, checkout, pages. In case you have multiple pages, you can create here another page. Here you can have blogs, blog posts, search, password 404, and you can create multiple templates. Now, to get the access to this exactly like directly, you can click on customize right through here, and this will be open for you. Now, this is the home page that we have. To edit it, we have to go here to the left. You'll find the home page, and yeah, you can switch between pages as I said from here. Now let's edit, for example, the home page. The home page is divided into three main things. The header, which has the announcements bar. For example, here we have welcome to our store. To change it, simply just right click on it and then, or left click on it and then go right here to announcements and change it. For example, 40% discount on all your purchases. And as you can see, it has been changed. So this is how you can add like an announcements bar. You can do a lot of variants to it. For example, you can change the scheme, you can change the colors. Here, if I want to custom CSS, you can literally add a custom CSS code. Let's try it out. For example, here I'm going to simply click on F12 to actually have this here. And from this area, I'm going to choose the background. I need to change the background. So this is the background. Let me just select it to make sure that it is, yeah, this is the one. So here, let's simply just search. You can, for example, add the padding. For example, here if I change it to 7, it will change the padding. Here, if I want to this area, I need to find where the black color is. I think it is this one. So if I change this one, yeah, this is the code that you need to change. So I think we need to copy this. Where is it? Okay, this is the one. So I'm gonna copy it, and I'm going to change it to something like blue, and I'm going to copy this whole code. I think we should also copy this, so we should copy the whole section. So let's go right to here. Oh, there is like hundreds of properties that we need to copy also. So no worries, let's go here, go all the way up right here, and let's copy it. Control C. Oh, I copied too much, I think. Yeah, let's go down, simply just like that. Hopefully that's enough. Hopefully this is what I want to to copy, because there's, oh my god, I missed it. Anyway, it's very like hard task to do. But yeah, you have to copy the exact code that was in F12 and basically just paste it right here. Normally it will not work now since I didn't really copy the whole section. I copied like multiple sections at once, which could cause some problems. Now beside this, that we can add it in the CSS code, you can literally just just a couple of other things. Like from here, if I went to this area right in the top right corner, you'll find here the inspector. Let me just remove it. The inspector will let you inspect. I'm gonna remove it. So here you will be able to actually view the mobile version of your website. So you can click here and drag up and down. You can view the full screen version of your site and the desktop version of your site, which is not really desktop, but it is like the editing site. So this is like the page builder version of your site. You can here undo and redo the things. You can also on the left here add more things. For example, here I would like to add a block, so you can click right here and I can add text block. And let me just find it real quick. Where is it? Oh, it's here. Let me just remove it. Where is this one? I need add section. Oh, you can also add section here. I'm just gonna edit some kind of things. For example, this one, I'm gonna click right here and I'm gonna say, for example, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Then click on time dot, and as you can see, just like that, we have changed the text within here. You can add a maximum of 3 blocks per section, so put that in mind. Here we have featured collection. We can add a collection. We can add here, for example, a multi-row. As you can see right here, you can edit it. For example, row number 1, you can add an image right here. Row number 2, you can add an image in the row number 2. You can select them if you had the inspect mode. So in case you had the inspect mode, you can keep switching between them. But in case you had the inspect mode turned off and you couldn't run it back to turned on, so you can go right here to multi-row and select one of these rows and basically keep editing the rows until you finish. And do not forget, guys, once you finish working on these rows, do not forget to save what you have made as change it, and simply click on hit the save button so you can save everything that you have added. And just like so, you have successfully edited your page on Shopify. You have made a couple of changes, you have added like a couple of things, you have managed to actually create and edit your template within Shopify. So this is how you do it. This is the only way that you can edit your site beside the coding one. You could also go right here, click on 3 points and click on edit code, so you can edit the code of the page and make it the way you want it. But this is for the advanced people when it comes to coding, so it's very hard for people who don't really have any idea about coding. And yeah, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.